Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. You and me. Hello, welcome back. Obviously, I have no makeup on today, and that's because I'm going to be reviewing and swatching some face masks. Okay, so Glam Glow just sent me this beautiful package in the mail, and it contains 6, count them, 6 of their face masks, and I thought it would be fun to swatch these and review them for you guys. I've already tried 4 of the 6, but there's 2 in here that I have not tried yet. Oh my god, I just hit myself in the face. Okay, so they sent me their clearing mask, their anti-aging mask, their firming mask, their hydrating mask, their brightening mask, and their detoxifying mask. I've tried these first 4 masks and I love all of them, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to love these 2, but I just want to, I guess, swatch them on my face, let you know what they're for, what's in them, and then I guess how they smell, if you want to know if they smell good or not. So anyways, let's get started. So like I said, sorry, I'm itching my armpit. So like I said, I have no makeup on because you don't want to put a face mask on over makeup. You want to make sure you have fresh face, no makeup on, clean skin, so your skin can absorb all the goodness from these face masks. My hair is in a ponytail. I'm looking pretty ratchet, but who cares? Let's just jump right in. So let's start with this one. I think this is the one that they're like most famous for. This is Glam Glow's Super Mud Clearing Treatment, and this is for problem skin, skin imperfections, pore refining, mattifying, clarifying purposes. So this one has, let's see, there's a lot to read on here. I love the packaging though. Let's start with that. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon shape, and it's in a pretty box. So this one has activated X charcoal and 6 acids in it. So let's put it on our face, or my face, or whatever. Okay, so this one looks like this. It's a really nice, like, feels like high-end packaging. I really love their packaging. It comes in this cute little jar, and you just take the lid off, and this is what the mask looks like. Charcoaly color, like a gray. Ooh, and it smells like a face mask. It smells like, I don't know, almost like mentholy kind of. Okay, so it doesn't come with a brush. This one doesn't. So let me find one. So like I said, I'm just gonna swatch these. I'm not gonna be putting on like a full-on mask. I'm just gonna put it on a small portion of my face so you guys can kind of just see what it looks like on the face, and then also I'll tell you what it feels like. Let's see. This is a little Glam Glow brush that I have from a different mask of theirs. I'm just gonna put, I guess we'll just put it like here. Ooh, it feels nice. Yeah, it's kind of like mentholy in scent. It feels so good. Okay, so we're just gonna swatch this one right here. So, oh, it smells so good. You guys, I love putting on face masks. I don't know why, but putting on a face mask, doing like at-home spa treatments, stuff like that, makes me feel luxurious. It just makes me feel like classy. It makes me feel just, I don't know, it's a luxury, I feel. Because like when I wear a face mask, I usually just put on a face mask and chill. So kick my feet up, you know, I don't do much. So yeah, that's my take on face masks. They're like a luxury. Okay, the next mask I'm gonna do is this one from Glam Glow. Duh, they're all from Glam Glow. The next mask that I'm gonna try is this one. It's Glam Glow's Youth Mud. It's a tingle exfoliate treatment, and it's for aging, fine lines, smoothing, refining, and glowing. This one has volcanic rock, French sea clay, and green tea leaf in it. Okay, so this one, I guess, wait, let me open it. By the way, this one is starting to dry, as you can see right here. It's like starting to dry a little bit, and it's very tingly. It feels like cold and tingly. It feels nice. Kind of like a burning sensation, but not a bad burning sensation. I guess we'll just call it a tingle. Okay, so this one also does not come with a brush, and it's in another jar like the other one, except for it is a black jar. It feels nice and heavy, and you know, it just feels like good quality packaging. You know, some things come in like really cheap ass packaging. This does not. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells refreshing. I'm not very good at describing scents, but this one smells good, and it looks like this. It's pretty firm. I think it said I have to mix it and then apply it. I'm gonna mix it with this little stick. Oh yeah, it's really thick. It's very thick. So I'm gonna mix it a little bit, and then I'm gonna apply it. I guess I'll just apply it to the other side. And this one says you can, oh geez, oh my god, hold on. I need to use that brush. This is fun. Just putting a bunch of mask all over my face is fun. Okay, this one's definitely thicker, and it has like little, I guess, pieces. So yeah, this one has like exfoliating stuff in it. I guess that's the, what, volcanic rock. And then it has obviously like the clay and then the tea leaf as well. You can see that. So I'm just gonna put this here. It says you can leave it on for 10 minutes, and then when you go to rinse it off, you basically just also you use it as an exfoliator, so you can, you know, scrub it around your face to exfoliate your skin, which I love exfoliating stuff. I feel like I need to exfoliate my skin every single day, so I really like this one. I have also tried this one before, but not many times. I've tried this one a lot. This one I've only tried like once before. I don't know why I don't use it more, because I really do like this one. Oh yeah, and this one is definitely tingly as well. So both of these, and as you can see, this one's drying even more. Both of these are very tingly, which I like. I feel like you could feel it working when it's tingling. Like, it's doing something. It's making me feel tingly inside. My hair looks so ratchet like this. Okay, next I'm gonna try this Glam Glow Gravity Mud. This is a firming treatment. It firms, lifts, tightens, tones, sexy contours. This one does come with a brush. This is the same brush that comes with it, except for this is just an old one that I have. So let's open this one and get the new brush. This one is definitely, oh, it says hello sexy. This one is definitely, I just love all their packaging. This one is definitely one of, or probably my absolute favorite. I love this one. It comes in the same jar that the other ones come in, except for it's purple. So this one, yeah, my favorite. And oh yes, it does come with a brush. I love these little brushes. They're perfect for applying a face mask. Okay, so this is my favorite mask from Glam Glow. Out of all the ones that I've tried, it is my favorite. I love peel off masks so much because I'm lazy, and it's easier for me to just peel off a mask than it is to like wash my face, you know, to like wash a mask off. But that's just me, and that's only because I'm lazy. By the way, this one is drying, as you can see. This one's almost completely dry. This one is like halfway dry. They both were tingly, but they're not tingly really anymore. As they're drying, the tingle goes away. Okay, so I'm gonna dip into this one. I don't want to tip it over too much, but it is, I don't even think you can see it. It is white, and it smells so good. It smells like dessert. Oh yeah, by the way, this one has licorice and marshmallow leaf in it, and it's like more like a liquid, as you can see, like liquidy. So let's swatch this on my face. I guess I'll just put this one here. Like I said, I've used this one before. I really love this one. I love the color of it. I love that it's like pretty. It starts off white and it like dries chrome. I love the way it smells. I love that it comes with a brush. I love that it dries and you can peel it off. I love what you use it for. I love that it's a firming treatment. I just love this one so much, and it smells so freaking good. So that's what this one looks like. Oh, it smells so good. I love this one. Okay, so we'll just let that one dry as well. Moving on. Okay, so next I'm going to try this one. This is Glam Glow's Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment, and it hydrates, moisturizes, restores, replenishes, and calms the skin. Okay, so I love anything that moisturizes my skin. I love lotions, I love moisturizing masks, I love night creams, I love night masks, I love all that. So what I like to do with this is I like to put it on at night after I wash and moisturize my face with like my nighttime lotion. I'll put this on and I'll sleep with it on and then just like rub it into my skin, and I love it so much. I love the way it smells. I love everything about it. So it also comes in a jar, except for this one is blue. This one does not come with a brush, but that's okay. And this one has honey, apple, and hydraulic acid in it. I'm sorry, it doesn't have hydraulic acid, it says hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, not hydraulic. Oh my god. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Oh well, you get the point. Oh, this one smells good too. I feel like this one smells like a dessert as well. Like apple pie or something. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a coffee or like a cream beige color, and it's similar to like a lotion's texture, but maybe a little bit thicker. And I'm just gonna apply this one with this little brush that I've been using. And I'll just put this one here. Oh, it feels so good. So it goes on almost translucent. Like I said, it does have like a beige tint to it. But as you can see, it's almost like going on clear. And I just put like a generous layer on, not too much. And it's just super, it's like a super thick lotion. And I just like to put that on. And like I said, I'll put this on at nighttime. And I'll put on a generous amount and I'll let it just sit there for like 10 to 20 minutes. And then before I go to bed, I like rub it into my skin and down my neck, and then I just go to sleep and I leave it on. I don't wash it off because I love it. It's like super hydrating and moisturizing, and I would have to say that this is another one of my favorite masks. And this one is starting to dry. These ones are almost completely dry, and this one is starting to dry. This one's not really gonna dry, it's just gonna soak in. Okay, so this one is a new one to me. This is Glam Glow's Flash Mud Brightening Treatment. It's for brightening, radiance, luminous, even tone, and correction. So pretty much all of these are meant to be used as full face masks, but like I said, for the purpose of today, I'm just like swatching these. So another little jar. I love their packaging. I'm like so plain Jane, so I love that everything is like the same, just a different color. You know, like same jar, same packaging, just a different color. I love that. And this is what this one looks like. Like I said, this one is new to me, so I have no idea what it smells like or looks like, and I'm excited to try this one. So sounds like this one also exfoliates your skin. Oh, it smells good. It smells kind of florally, kind of. Honestly, it smells really nice. I have a lot of smells going on right now though, so I need some like coffee beans or whatever they use at perfume stores. Okay, where's my brush? This is so fun. I'm having a good time. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this one and we'll just put it up here on my big forehead. This is what this one looked like. And I think it said to kind of rub it around, so that's what I'm gonna do. So it said to just like rub it around. Oh yeah, it definitely feels like there's like little granules of, it said diamond photoluminescence, but I don't know if there's diamonds in here. But definitely like exfoliating, definitely tiny little like sand like granules in here. So yeah, it said to kind of rub it around for a couple minutes, and then I didn't mean to put it on my eyebrow, but it's going there. So yeah, you just kind of rub it around, exfoliate your skin, and then you can leave it on for, I think it said a minimum of 20 minutes, and then you rinse it off. It definitely smells very nice though. Yeah, I didn't mean to put it on my brow, but it's there now, so it's gonna stay. Nice. So I'm liking this one. I can't wait to try it though as like a full face mask. And my camera is gonna die, but we're just gonna roll it until it dies. Okay, last but not least, ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. This one is the last one in my box, so this is number 6, because there was 6 of the set, maybe? Okay, last but not least, this is Glam Glow's Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment. It says cleanse, nourish, detox, purify, and renew. And it says it's a mud to oil, which I think I'm gonna love. Cool. So this one has white and green clays and prickly pear in it. And I've also never tried this one, but I'm excited. So once again, no brush. I think the only one that comes with a brush is the purple one. But this one comes in the same packaging as all the other ones except for it's green. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, this one is more liquidy in texture. Oh my god. Ooh, this one is my favorite smell. It's like, it's not really floral, but I don't even know how to describe it. Maybe it smells like pear. I think it kind of smells like pear. It smells like fruit. It smells so good. Oh, it smells like fruit. I think it is pear. Yeah, it smells so good. It smells really good and refreshing, and it looks like this. It's kind of like a dark greenish gray clay color. And this one is the mud to oil, and I'm just gonna put it right up here on the other side of my big forehead. And this one said I have to let it dry on there. So I leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes and then I let it dry. It has these little like things in it. And it's like a thinner, like feeling clay. It's like a thin clay material. Thin clay. It's like a thinner clay formula. And that's what it looks like. So this one is a mud to oil and it's a cleansing treatment, and these two up here are new to me. I've never tried these ones before, but I'm super excited about them. Mostly this one because it smells so good, and I like the mud to oil deal. Never done a face mask like that. So now, oh, it smells so good. So now that I look like a crazy lady, I'm just gonna let these, I guess, dry and do their thing before I rinse them off. But these two are pretty much dry all the way. This one, yeah, this one is dry. I could probably peel this one off soon. These still have to dry. This one looks like it's starting to dry a bit. This one is fresh, and then this one is just that like moisturizer, so it's pretty, I don't think this one ever really dries at all, but that's okay. It smells good. So this is what all 6 of the masks look like, just swatched on my face. I don't think it really matters what they look like, but just so you can get an idea of like what they are. There's 2 that are like actual clay, and then this one is an exfoliating clay, so when I go to rinse this one off, I'll like literally exfoliate with it. Same with this one up here. This is also like an exfoliating one, except for you exfoliate first and then you leave it on and let it dry. This one you exfoliate after. And then this one is just like a moisturizer, really thick moisturizer. This one is the cleansing mud to oil, and then this one is the firming peel off mask. So that's what all of these 6 masks look like. I know they do have other products and other masks, but in the specific box that they sent me, it was just these 6, which are like, I'm assuming their most popular ones. Okay, so it is time to rinse these off. Before I rinse them off, I almost said before I peel them off because I was thinking ahead. Before I rinse these off, I'm gonna peel this one off. See? Oh, it's so firm. I love peel off masks because they're fun. Like, didn't you put glue on your hand when you were little and like peel it off? Now you can do it on your face. Oh my god. I don't know. I like peel off masks. I think they're fun and they're easy, and like cleanup is just a breeze, you know? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go rinse the rest of these off and I will be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed off all of those masks. My skin is feeling super nice. I really love this one because you exfoliate like as you rinse it off, and I just think it's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Like you use the face mask and then you also exfoliate after. Like, I don't know. I really like that. But anyways, I had fun swatching all of these face masks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every week, so you don't want to miss out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!